doesn't like such beautiful mornings? Welcome back everyone. Today we are driving to Falls Creek. It's about an hour's drive. We have already picked up our snow chains and snow gears. Weather is very good today. I don't think I'll need to put on the snow chains. We'll reach there after roughly 45 minutes of drive. I'm parking my car in the day parking area. One of our second favorite thing we'll do today is to take the chairlift and go all the way up to Cloud 9, which is the destination to hit the ski slopes. As much as I enjoy the snowboarding, I love doing the chairlift. If you like the panoramic view of all the ski fields, this is a must do for you as well. I don't know if they do this every year, but don't miss the hot chocolate and the pizza. It just added to the beauty, and obviously we were very hungry. And how could I miss this sunset in Tawonga Valley? It just makes for a perfect evening. The owner had kindly arranged for a bonfire. What do you need after a long day and for the chilly night? We were staying at Alamar Motor Inn. I'll place the link in the description. And yet another beautiful morning. Seems I'm just not over how beautiful the mornings are when I wake up. So today is the last day, but the trip is not over yet. We are going to Sullivan's Lookout, exploring this beautiful view. I would highly recommend to explore Happy Valley Road on your way back. If you got a couple of extra hours on your hand, this is not something which you should miss. You will really remember this drive. Every lookout point on this valley road is worth stopping and taking some pictures. Now, we like to explore small little towns along the way, and this time we stopped at Yaara for our lunch at this old hotel. I'm sure it will be a lot of fun to sit on these tables in summer or other favorable seasons. They did have a fireplace inside, so which kept us warm and cozy. Our last stop for the day was Yaara Valley Chocolate Factory. We did buy some chocolates from there, enjoyed the view, and finally said goodbye. Thanks for staying so far and watching my video, guys. Do give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you like such videos. If you like the snowy ride, there is another video of 10 minutes where I drive from Mount Beauty to Falls Creek. Do check it out. I'll put the link in description as well. Thanks a lot. Be safe. Take care.